And one of the points that we wanted to highlight, particularly from the last session yesterday, was the need for us to reflect on how local solutions in a number of complex situations that we have on the continent can help address the challenges that we face. We particularly chose the Follow the Money case study because, one, it does not require a lot of money. Two, it is something that is easily implementable in any of our environments and contexts. Three is that it is probably one of the low-cost but high-impact strategy that we can all implement in our countries. And we thought it was important to highlight that and to also reiterate the importance of local actions and national solutions to the challenges that we face. I have no doubt that today, starting from this morning, we would also have very insightful exchanges on two very important topics, bridging the gap among key actors, but also the other session that will come after it on partnerships and cooperation. But for now, we'll focus on the immediate first session, and that is the session looking at bridging the gap amongst key actors for the fight against corruption. This session will basically be looking at how we foster collaboration and synergy and partnerships, both within various inter- and intra-organizational collaboration for those working in the states and non-state sectors, but those who are even within the states and have multiple agencies working on this topic. To facilitate that session this morning is Ms. Vera Mshana, who is the Global Program Officer for Civic Engagement and Government Program at Ford Foundation, based out of the United States. Vera is Tanzanian by origin, and she's done a lot of work on the continent before this current posting. Let's put our hands together as I welcome Vera Mshana to the high table. Our lead presenter this morning is someone we can refer to as a friend of AGA. I think in the early days of conceptualizing the civil society engagement of the AGA, I would like to say we were both in the trenches of the work at the time. And we're very proud to have Rita Kijala Shako. We just like to call her Kijala Shako, who will be our lead presenter. She is the advisor for civic space and engagement at the Pan-Africa program of Oxfam International. Let's put our hands together for Kijala as she takes the stage. Our discussants this morning would be, I will start with Mr. Boroto Matsoso, who is the Director General of the Directorate on Corruption and Economic Offenses from the Kingdom of Lesotho. Let's put our hands together for Mr. Boroto Matsoso as he takes the stage. He's had a long years of experience in public service, one time at the Lesotho Revenue Authority as well. Last but definitely not the least is Dr. Bashi Mutsusi. Dr. Mutsusi is our host and is from the Faculty of Social Sciences at the University of Botswana. Let's put our hands together for Dr. Mutsusi. Thank you very much. And at this point, I'd like to hand over to Vera for the conversation. Thank you.